The Essential Guide to Game Tester Jobs. Insider Information for Aspiring Game Testers, Part 2. Today's lesson is all about getting ahead in the game and learning the secrets of the truly successful game testers. You might be starting at the bottom relative to other positions in the gaming industry, but with hard work and the right information, you will be moving up fast compared to others who won't have the same knowledge as you do. Let's get started. Number 1. Never give up. This is probably the most important trait of a true blue game tester. Getting into this job is never easy. Like I said, competition is high, and there will always be a group of like-minded folks who want the same things as you. But never mind that. Just go ahead and send in your cover letter and resume to potential employers. There's no need to use agencies or whatnot to get into the gaming industry. Contact the game studios and companies directly. Deal with employers directly so you will have full control of what happens afterward. Number 2, accept realities fast. There's a common misconception that you will be playing different games with little or no responsibility when you are employed as a game tester. This is just not true. Generally speaking, a game tester will only be assigned one game, and he will continue to test and evaluate the game along with other team members until the game is released to the market. If it takes 1 year to fully polish a title, we will probably be working on just one game title for 12 whole months. Number 3. Polish your writing skills. Game testers are expected to produce detailed bug reports and documentation. If you can't spell and write well, now is a great time to brush up on your grammar and vocabulary because you are going to need it. Click the link below for a complete ebook guide on how to succeed as a game tester.